So for this episode, alam mo isa sa mga things na kinakahangaan ko kay Dean. As you know, ikaw, you've had like two girlfriends. I've had one. So the one of the things na masasabi natin sa isa't isa is hindi tayo masyadong experienced when it comes to relationship. We've had only a couple of girlfriends, like we said, tatlo, pero uh, Dean here, he's had more than a couple of girlfriends. So we wanna ask you kung ano yung mga best relationship advice na natutunan mo or mabibigay mo for someone like us?
I agree kasi syempre it's not naman about it's not naman about the amount of relationships you get into pero syempre since you've gone out with a lot of different people na rin, what are the most important things that you keep in mind or that you focus on in a relationship?
So, hi guys, ako pala si Mr. Right.
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
so, parang for context muna, um, very common misconception among the general public is the fact that if you look at a guy and that guy has a lot of girls or had a lot of girls, it's more appealing
Mm.
because that's from a guy's perspective. From a girl's perspective, it's a red flag, but from a guy's perspective, it's a good thing, and that's what I want to clear up because it shouldn't be viewed as a good concept. It's not really appealing because it's something that I'm open to share now so that people can be aware about it. But the fact that I've been through a lot of relationships does not mean that I am attractive, but rather there's a couple of problems that come along the way that were too much to handle. I that's why things end and we move on to the next one. And along the way, um, there's a lot of things that you can realize talaga when you meet different people. But now I have met someone and feel ko naman committed na ako. And yung pinaka number one thing na na-realize ko is the fact that being in a relationship, there will always be times when you don't love that person. Because if you're only gonna rely on love for a relationship, it's really bound to fail. Because it's not just about love, it's about trust, it's about commitment, it's about responsibility, it's about all of those things. Parang you can relate it to the gym. Kasi if you want to improve your performance in the gym, you have to be consistent. Even if you don't want to go to the gym that day, you need to.
Mm.
That's the same with commitment. Like you're with this one girl, she's your girlfriend, she's your wife. You need to be committed. You're not allowed to cheat, you're not allowed to look at other girls. But there will be times when you fight. So, if you fight, anong ibig sabihin nun? Hahanap ka ng iba or magpapasarap ka sa iba. Yun yung naging mali ko. I gave into that temptation a lot of times. But now, parang nadala na ako. So, that's when you start to realize na you can't rely solely on affection. But rather, if you really want this partner hanggang sa mag-marry kayo, hanggang sa mamatay kayo together, you really need to find other ways to stick around and to commit to that one person. Para din hindi siya affected, hindi wala kang extra toll or extra stress on your part and walang ibang maapektuhan sa surrounding people like our friends, our family. And parang this advice is maririnig mo lang din sa mga older generations, yung mga matatanda na.
Mm.
And yun yung parang nagiging secret nila. So parang the hard truth to that is the fact that you can't solely rely on love, because there are a lot of factors that can erase love from the equation. So that's how you need to find other alternatives to keep what you want in order to stay happy in life. Yun yung number one na nasa utak ko talaga yun. Kaya ngayon, sana gumana na talaga. Sana smooth na.
Ano naman,
Yeah.
I understand naman yung sense na relationships are rooted sa love, pero it's not gonna be the driving force every time. Kasi, syempre, depends din on what people define as love. Pero, it can
Yeah.
be the number one or the beginning or the main reason kung bakit kayo together ng tao na yun. But it's not gonna be the it's not gonna be the reason on why you're with that person or why you continue
Yep.
to be with that person.
Yun
Kasi
yung
there's a lot
parang
of things.
starting step.
Oh,
That's the peak of the relationship, is the first days you're together. When you meet that person, yun yung love, yun yung affection, yun yung attachment. That's when you get addicted. You want to be with her every day. Pero that's when it starts to go down. Kasi magpa-plateau yun eh. Somewhere in the middle. There will be love, there will be boring times, there will be fights. So, anong gagawin mo dun? Siyempre, siya pa rin. Despite kung ano man mangyari, siya pa rin pupuntahan mo. Yun
Alam
yung
mo,
natutunan ko.
going off dyan sa sinasabi mo, kasi ako, in my experience, I've been with my girlfriend coming 5 years now this year. So, matagal na siya. So, we've had a lot of ups and downs. And in the same sense, parang people like to say na dapat equal yung relationship, 50-50. Pero I realized somewhere along the line na that's not always gonna be the case. Pag minsan, mas kakailanganan mo magbigay ng effort compared sa girlfriend mo. And sometimes, sila naman yung mas magbibigay ng effort sa relationship compared sa'yo. It's about finding the right balance. Hindi siya palaging 50-50. Kasi kunyari, in my case, di ba, I had some time for years na nag-stop ako from studying. So yung girlfriend ko, she's the one studying. Siya yung palaging busy, siya yung palaging merong ginagawa sa work, sa ACADS niya. So in my situation, ako yung mas merong freedom sa oras ko. So ako yung most of the time nag-a-adjust para makapagkita kami, para makapag-movie night kami. Ako yung mag-e-effort para mabigyan siya ng para magkaroon kami ng oras para sa isa't isa. So it's not always gonna be 50-50. You need to look for dapat dedicated ka. Hindi ka pwedeng porket masaya ka ngayon, dun ka lang dedicated. Tapos dito dahil nahihirapan ka na ayaw ka na, bibitaw ka na. You're not gonna last kapag ganun yung mindset mo. And hanga ako na binigay mo yung side mo na ganyan na like you said, from previous relationships, you gave in, you had times na nag-give up ka. Pero we've learned from that. So ngayon, ina-apply mo na siya sa relationship mo.
amen.
Ganun talaga.
Amen, amen.